Up there. Looks like someone nibbled on it.
I bet it was that guy. His friend said that he liked sugarcane sap.
Coco, I know that already. Anyway, let's not waste any more energy looking for him. Instead, let's get some sugarcane sap and lure him in.
That's a great idea.
It's yummy.
Stop eating and come down, Papa!
Oh! Whoa! Oh, my bad. Sorry.
Captain, are we going to squeeze sap out from that hole too?
Nope. All we have to do is sit tight and wait.
Now let's hide and wait for him to take the bait. Operation Stakeout.
Why isn't he taking the bait?
Captain, how long do we have to wait?
Something smells good. Is that mussels?
Papa, I think that's our guy. His hind legs are really thick and muscular.
Whoa. Master, I would like to be your student. What do I have to do to make my legs as muscular as yours?
Listen, it's not as easy as you think.
And the mystery is...
Banana blaster!
Whoa!
How dare you attack my student? I'll teach you a lesson. Gentlemen, let's retreat. If we get caught by muscle legs, we're goners.
Now the mystery is solved!
Whoa.
The insect with the humongous hind legs was none other than the frog-legged leaf beetle. It may have scary-looking legs, but it's actually a cute bug that likes to eat sweet sugarcane sap. As it was about to mate with a female that happened to come by.
Hey, look! Another male showed up!
The male's big and strong hind legs are the perfect weapon for fighting off other males that interfere with their mating. Ultimately, the male with the strongest hind legs gets to mate with the female. The mystery is solved!